morning class. This is Miguel from Group 8. This is my strength and conditioning coach, Anthony Valencia. So today we are going to show you different motions at the talocrural joint. Let's begin. Anthony, I want you to lay on your belly for me, please. Scoot up a little bit. Good. So now, let's talk about the talocrural joint. What happens on the plantar flexion. So when we do plantar flexion of the talocrural joint, this is what is happening. The gastrocnemius, which is located here in the posterior compartment, we have the origin on the lateral and medial epicondyle of the femur, and the insertion will be on the Achilles tendon or calcaneus tendon. So right here, when we do plantar flexion, the insertion will go towards the origin and the muscle will shorten. So that's a nice demonstration. However, the gastrocnemius muscle, it is not the main talocrural flexor. It is the soleus, but for the sake of demonstrating the surface anatomy, I'm not going to show it because it's deep to the gastrocnemius. All muscles that flex the ankle will be the soleus, like I mentioned, the plantaris, fibularis brevis, fibularis longus, tibialis posterior, and flexor hallucis longus. So now I'm going to ask Anthony to lay on your back for me, please. And then we're going to be showing the dorsiflexors of the talocrural joint. The main dorsiflexor for the talocrural joint would be the tibialis anterior. So you see the muscle right here, this is the origin, the insertion, and this is what an ankle dorsiflexion would look like. So what is happening here, the tibialis anterior will have the origin on the lateral condyle of the tibia, and the interosseous membrane. The insertion will be on the middle cuneiform at the first metatarsal joint. So insertion goes towards the origin. So another dorsiflexors for the talocrural joint will be the stensor dentator longus, fibularis tertius, and the stensor hallucis longus. So now let's do what we call inversion at the intertarsal joint. So the inverters, meaning towards the midline, just like that. Good demonstration by Anthony. So the main inverter will be the tibialis posterior that we already mentioned, the tibialis anterior. The tibialis posterior, by the way, is the strongest everter. Now let's do eversion of the intertarsal joint. So this eversion will be away from the midline, just like that. So for the everters, if I turn this leg this way, you will see what is called the fibularis brevis. The fibularis brevis, the origin will be on the lateral shaft of the fibula, and the insertion will be on the base of the fifth metatarsal joint, on the lateral surface. So eversion, so the origin will go towards the insertion will go towards the origin. That's it for this video, and I'm going to make a part 2 of the video to show about the digit of the foot. Okay, thank you very much, and thanks for watching my video.